Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a water rocket. It is by this brand right here, and this is how it comes packaged. It tells you how to use it right here. So you're pretty much just going to connect your water hose to the device, turn it on, and it's going to allow the rocket to go up and down, and it's going to spin and wet everybody. So I'm just looking at this to see kind of where everything is going to go on here so I don't get it wrong. Okay, and once you have all the stickers on, that's what it's going to look like. And then I put the lines down here. So all we have to do is go connect this up. We're going to place that on there, and then we're going to see how it works. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like in use. And so you do connect this part. You can see it comes on and off like this. You're just going to push it in, and to take it off, you're just going to pull up on this part right here to take it off. And you're good to go.
Yo! I want to hide.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.